Good morning. Time to go out, rent a scooter, and explore Vang Vieng. Most likely it's gonna be about 50,000 for the scooter. Pretty common here. And then we're gonna go to Blue Lagoon number 5, which is less known. It's furthest out, so we're gonna start there. It should be about an hour getting there. Then we're gonna head to Blue Lagoon number 3, which is a little more built up. I believe it has rope swings and I think a zip line in the water and a jumping spot. Be a lot of fun in the middle of the afternoon when it's very hot out. And then for sunset, we're gonna head to a nice viewpoint. It's going to be a pretty nice day. Right now we gotta go out and find a scooter in town. All right. So we found a scooter, 50,000 as I thought. Time to go. No gas. God damn it. So we are walking to the gas station because we got given a bike with absolutely
no gas.
Got gas. Time to start, finally. Made it to Blue Lagoon number 5 through a lot of puddles, a lot of mud, some people that don't know how to ride as well falling down. It was pretty funny. My feet are soaked. I'm all red from the clay dirt that's here, but we're here and it is very peaceful. River running right there, the lagoon's on the other side. We brought some picnic lunch that we're gonna have and relax with only just a few other tourists. This is great. Okay, so apparently there's a tourist map of the area and it only has lagoons 1 through 3. However, looking at Maps.me and doing a little bit more research, we did find that there were 5. And that's one of the reasons why we're here, is that most people that were on the same road over here stopped at 3. And that's where we're gonna go after. That's definitely much more built up. Should be fun, I really think so. And grab a beer and do a zip line into the water and jump off that stuff, which would be fantastic. However, this is a different vibe, super chill, a little further, but it's worth it. This is nice, very peaceful. Wish we could stay longer, but we have to head over to Blue Lagoon number 3. You have zip line, rope swing, different platforms to jump into. Looks like someone's even in a kayak over there.
Yeah.
That's kind of weird, but hey, you know, and it is all cement. And it's not so blue, but still lovely. More of like a party place.
So built up.
So built up. The other place is more peaceful. This is more party. If you came here with a group of friends, just watch people flop on their back. Good time already. So we are under half an hour, I don't know exactly, till sunset. And after spending all the time in the lagoons, we're not sure if we're actually gonna make it up in time for sunset. So why spend the money and do the effort to not make it in time? So instead, we're just gonna stop right here, pop out the drone, see if we can get some nice shots. It is right at that time, sunset. And if we don't make it, I mean, really, you're gonna work that hard, spend that money, and not make it to the top in time. If we would have left just a little sooner, we would have definitely been able to. However, I don't know. Is it worth the risk? The drone shot is gonna be nice.